Join all of us at the UT Austin School of Nursing in celebrating Florence Nightingale's 200th birthday, National Nurses Week, and Thanks Day.
Thank you for fostering our growth by funding new and collaborative student spaces.
Thank you for investing in our education through scholarships, faculty, and research funding.
Thank you for supporting our academic achievements and ensuring our professional success through student services.
Thank you for enhancing our curriculum through LEAP and simulation lab funding.
Thank you for protecting the health of our community's most vulnerable populations through our family and children's wellness clinics.
And finally, a big Texas-sized thank you to all the healthcare professionals keeping our communities safe and healthy. Florence Nightingale would be proud of what we've accomplished together. Happy 200th birthday, Flo. Hook 'em.